Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can connect Google Analytics account to Shopify. So for that you need to open up your Google Analytics account, and after opening it up you will see admin section at the bottom of your screen. Just click on it, and after that we need to create a new property. So for that we will click on create property over here, and here we will name it as Shopify. Now you need to select the reporting time. It is according to your preference and also the currency. And when you click on show advanced options, you will be able to see that you can also use universal analytics property, but since it is going to be outdated after 1st of July, so there's no use of enabling it right now. So we will just click on next for now. After that, select the industry category. It could be anything, and for me, let me select arts and entertainment, and also select the business size of your organization. After that, click on next. Right after that, you would have to choose business objective of your business. Let me choose mine. You can select more than one over here and then click on create. After that, you need to head up to Google Analytics or skip it for now. Now let's get back to our admin section, and over on the properties you will be able to see this drop down menu. Just click over here and you will be able to see Shopify over here. Just select it and copy this tracking ID of Shopify. Click on setup assistant and also copy this particular Shopify ID and paste it over on the Shopify in the theme section, where you will find preferences, and in preferences you will be able to see Google Analytics. Over there, just paste this ID and also make sure to tick that mark with the enhance e-commerce. After that, this particular assistant will be connected to your Shopify handle, and after that G4 or Google Analytics 4 will be applied to your Shopify. Just click over it and enable the e-commerce, which will be appearing right beside it. Just click on e-commerce and enable it. Also make sure to enable the advanced e-commerce, and this way you would be able to retrieve all the data from your Shopify to Google Analytics, and after that you can see all the data and analyze that data and monitor that data in report section. And this is how you connect Google Analytics with Shopify. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.